Hi friend, good morning. I am Kapil Senapati. I am now at Badagada Breed Colony Community Park. You can see lots of beautiful flower is here. Very beautiful flower, just center point of the park. You can see this beautiful flower. It's looking very beautiful. The yellow color flower, very good flower. I am very happy in the morning to see this flower. The flower looking very beautiful. You can see this is very good flower, and I'm keeping my camera near to the flower. It's showing very beautiful flower. Oh, how beautiful it is. You can see this flower. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. You can see very good flower. It's showing very beautiful yellow color flower. I don't know the flower name, but it's looking very beautiful. It's looking very beautiful. You see, I'm keeping the camera near to the flower. It's looking very beautiful. It's looking very beautiful. Oh, very beautiful flower. Very beautiful flower. The yellow color flower. I think it's an imported flower. You can see this type. The people doing yoga at here. You can see people doing exercise here. This is a community park, Badagada Breed Colony. You can see there is some female doing exercise. This is a community park. People you can see sitting here and doing exercise. You can see here. This is the park. You can see I am just moving my camera around the park. You can see this park. This is a very good park for Badagada Breed Colony community people. It's developed by Bhubaneswar Development Authority and good maintained by Bhubaneswar Development Authority. It's a very good park. It's looking very beautiful, and park maintenance is very good. Every day the park's opening time is 4 a.m. and closing time I think is 10 a.m. You can visit this park and you can do your morning walk, exercise, yoga at here. This park is free for all religion, caste and people. You can visit this park and take advantage of this park. This is a beautiful flower. Actually I am very attracted. I am very much happy to see this flower here. This is a very good park for community. I am very happy to this area. My mind has been I am pleasing, very pleasing. I am very happy to see this flower. This is a very good flower. I think this is important. These are the imported flower. Okay, you can see here. I am moving my camera around the park. I am standing center point of the park and moving my camera around. You can see lots of people doing exercise, yoga, and there is also children park. You can see people are doing people are playing there. You can see one of the person sitting here and doing yoga. Lots of people working here and doing yoga. You can see here people doing yoga at here. The flower is at center point of the flag, which maximizing beauty of this park. This is a very one more flower is here. You can see this is a very good flower. You can identify and recognize this flower. Which flower is this? I don't know. It's looking very beautiful. This is very very good flower, and this park maintained by Bhubaneswar Development Authority. I thanks Bhubaneswar Development Authority to maintain this park very well. I am going to children park. You can see here lots of children here playing. There is a playing equipment in this park for children. You can see these are the playing equipments here. You can see these are the playing equipment in this community park. Very good initiative by Bhubaneswar Development Authority. Very good initiative. I am appreciating Bhubaneswar Development Authority and its officers for their initiative. You can see here people, children's playing here very happily. You can see here these are the activities people, children's happily playing here. You can see one of the children playing here. These are the equipments for children. I think the park is very beautiful park. It's very good initiative, and I am very thankful to Bhubaneswar Development, appreciating Bhubaneswar Development maintain very good maintenance of this park. This is a very good park, and these are the children's playing equipment installed by Park Authority. You can see people walking, doing morning walk. You can see children playing here, and they are very happy. You can see children very happy and playing. You can see children very happy and playing. This is a very good equipment here, and children playing here very happily. Very good initiative by Bhubaneswar Development Authority for children and community people. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot Bhubaneswar. Thanks a lot Bhubaneswar Development Authority for your good initiative. Thanks a lot.